I don't play good. Oh! What the heck? What? That's it, I'm done. I'm done. Done. Failures? I know. Okay. Saved my eye now, so I'm okay. As long as I put him in there. Oh my god! Oh, 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 oh. Leia, no! No, I don't want to die. Not soon. What the heck? What the heck? What the? Oh my god! Oh my god! What the heck? That was a puppet? Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Oh! 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 No. No, 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 no. No! Hey! Hey, buddy! I just heard that phone guy says that I can't go in you. So if you kill me, I don't want to go in you. I don't like you. I hate you. And plus, how about you go in camera 10? I know there's like great stuff in there, and I'm about to die right now because you're just standing there like a slump, and I really don't want to pay attention to you right now. I just want to get to school tonight. And plus, I don't want to blink like I did earlier, and I'm gonna blink. I'm gonna blink. I'm gonna die. I'm done. I'm done. It's so hard to try to beat it. It's like I don't know what happened to my thing. Done. But I'm stupid. I'm pulling on you already. Stupid. What the? Oh, God. My God, it almost killed me. It almost got in. Oh, 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 oh. Did I do it? Oh, oh, I did it. Oh my God, I almost gave me a heart attack. I'm not going where I'm telling you to go. Gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. Are you? What the heck is wrong with you now? Ventilation! Oh! Oh, 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 go, come. Oh, go. I know, it's gonna be in danger. No, what the? Oh! I don't wanna die. Oh, you, close. Oh my god, he's coming close. I'm gonna die because he's gonna kill me soon. Oh my god, he's almost there. He's coming. He's really coming. He's coming. I thought I already told you to get off my... Oh, no! You stupid Freddy! Oh! I'm done! Oh, you stupid Freddy! This guy is horrible. This guy is horrible! I can't even watch a David film. An event somewhere. Wait. Oh my god! He is so close. Oh my god. He's somewhere in there. He's on camera too. With my eye, you can... What the heck? You know what? I'm done. I can't pass it. It's just difficult. It's insanity. It's insanity. That doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to end this video. I'm sorry, guys. It's so hard. I can't do it.